Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox the Logitech G Pro wireless mouse by Logitech. So so this features an onboard memory, a click tensioning system, okay, 16.8 million color RGB lighting, and this is ambidextrous. So the sensor used is Hero sensor. The resolution is up to 16,000 dpi, but when we plug into the software, it actually supports up to 25.6k dpi. So the max acceleration is more than 40G, max speed is more than 400 IPS, zero smoothing and acceleration filtering. So the polling rate is 1000 Hertz. There's a microprocessor in it, 32-bit ARM. So durability, it features a PTFE fit, 250 km. And the battery life, so average with default lighting 40 hours, no lighting 60 hours. Now, so the physical specifications are 125 millimeters in height, 63.5 millimeters in width, 40 millimeters in depth, and this only weighs 80 grams. So the it is like support light speed, Hero sensor, power play, supports power play also, and light sync. This is a very good box, I must say. So what's in the box? You get a Pro wireless gaming mouse, Lightspeed wireless receiver, charging or data cable, receiver extension adapter, side buttons, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, button covers, 2 on the left, 2 on the right again, and then the user documentation. So what you need is a USB port, Windows 7 or later, macOS 10.11 or later, internet for software download. So this features 2 years warranty. Without further ado, so see, Logitech G, the choice for programmers worldwide. I don't play any of these games, but oh well. So very nice box. You can see some of the words there. 50 million clicks. Keep playing. Alright, without further ado, let's unbox this. So I've actually unboxed it, and this is actually a used set. Got it pretty well at a good price. Interesting, there's a padding on top of this to prevent the mouse from moving around. And this is the mouse itself. We'll set this aside first. And yeah, and then what you can see inside is 2 things here. We'll take this out here and this out. Nothing more. So we have the data cable here. Now this uses a USB type C. No, sorry. This uses a USB micro USB, and I believe they will give you a sticker usually, but it's not in here anymore. And then some manuals. Oh, you got a sticker here. Very nice sticker. And here's some quick setup guide, and this is the cable, not gold plated, this is a standard one, non-braided, and then this is the micro USB, and this is how you plug in to charge. So it's got this cool shape here, like so. You can use it. Now I believe other than design purposes, this is also to try and fixate this thing into the mouse so that it doesn't slide around. Overall, I think this cable is at least 1.8 millimeter long. Good enough, good quality, but you're only gonna ever need this for charging, because most of the time you're just gonna use it wireless. And yeah, so here's another small box here. So these are your side buttons cover or your side buttons replacement. So all in here. I've already switched mine to all side button. These are just the button covers. So I'll just take one out just for you to have a look. I think the main difference is the height of the screw in the middle. So if this screw is higher, then it touches the button and then lets you use the side button. And this is the adapter. kind of rubberized. And as you can see, the micro USB here, then the full USB-A here. So very nice texture with a Logitech logo on it. Nothing else on the back. And we have our mouse here. So I really like this mouse. It really fits my hand well. I usually do palm grip, and so you see you have a side buttons here, two of each on each side. So you can, if you only use the left side, you can switch this to just the side button covers. Otherwise, you can use both sides. By default, this will be the forward and backward. Likewise, this will be the forward and backward. And all of these buttons you can customize in the Logitech hub. So let's have a bit of a sound test. So no hyper scrolling here whatsoever. You do have some 3 LEDs indicator here for battery health. Some RGB lighting on the logo. And here is the feed itself. And these are non-original one. I've changed mine to Tiger Skates. They are very smooth. I like it very much. And here is the power button. So this to turn it on, like so. Or you can turn it off. And the DPI button is on the bottom. Here's the Hero sensor, and you can see there's a bit of a pattern here with the Pro Wireless logo here. So yeah, so this is your usual hub. So if you get the power play, you can use this on the power play and replace this with the power play module. And this is where they hide the USB. So good thing on this mouse is that it provides a slot for you to keep your dongle. So now let's just plug that in. And once you plug it in, it immediately tells you that your mouse is inactive. Meaning that it detects your dongle, but it knows that your mouse is not turned on. So we're going to turn this on. And loading resources and 63% battery. So I've been using for about a little bit over 1 week, and the battery has dropped about 17%, which is very lasting. As you can tell, I'm not using any RGB, so this battery health is very good. Yeah, so let's see. It actually has an onboard memory, or you can set it within the system itself. So for example, as you can see, the DPIs can go up to 25.6K, but we're not gonna use that much. And these are the light effects. So you have the fixed cycle breathing, screen sampler, and audio visualizer. So and then the software also tells you approximately how many hours left of your battery. And then also the logo, stuff like that. Now I got this used. So one of the things I immediately noticed is the wear on the scroll wheel. So the scroll wheel has a bit of a rubber texture. Not sure if you can see on the screen, but the patterns on the right here is almost gone, and then but on the right here is still visible. So it's a minor wear and tear. I don't mind it as long as the mouse is functioning. So as you can see, it's also, there's a gap in the wheel itself to try to reduce the weight. It's made of plastic, I think, not metal. And there's no side click for this middle button. Yeah, but overall 80 gram feels nice. I've yet to try a 60 gram mouse or even the 58 gram by the latest of this mice, which is the Logitech G Pro X Superlight X2, I think. But yeah, overall I'm very satisfied with this mouse, especially if you can get it cheap used. So yeah, if you ask me, the G502, the G703, I think I like this more because of the weight and then the shape of this mouse. So yeah, honestly, this mouse was released back in 2018, and it has really aged well, I must say. So yeah, I'm very happy with this mouse. Yeah, that's all of it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you found this useful. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.